Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a suitable and wisely chosen WordPress theme. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you, and if you want to make a directory listing website, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to overview a very popular and suitable WordPress theme for directory listing websites. This is Golo WordPress theme. This is unique directory listing travel WordPress theme, and it is built for professional directory and travel websites such as popular Yelp, Airbnb, and everything that you need on a directory listing website you will find here on this theme. It has 6 pre-made website, predefined demo you can say, that is especially made for city travel guide, business listing, health medical listing, country travel guide, restaurant listing, workspace listing. So I will show you summarily these pre-made websites. This is city guide, and you can see the perfect and the stunning look of the pre-made website. This is being the business listing. It has also got a very suitable and stunning look. And the third one is this health medical guide. This is also very important and now being popular in the cities. So health and medical services are always on high search, so you can start your business listing website using this theme. So if you want to provide information on health services available in the city or area. This is being the restaurant search guide, and this is also very suitably crafted for the purpose. And this is workspace, and this is the country guide. So you can even create a complete country guide using this theme. So Golo WordPress theme is perfect for directly listing, of course, and Golo and directory and listing travel WordPress theme has been developed by UXper, and UXper are elite authors. The theme came into existence in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this is why it has been chosen on this channel, to be on this channel, and I am happy to record this video because we are almost covering all the directory listing websites and pre-made WordPress themes. So you can say it is a great chance and great combination of themes available on WP Themes channel, so you can explore other themes as well. And if you are coming to this channel very first time, you may please subscribe this channel. We are going to bring wonderful WordPress theme plugin and utilities for you. In this video we are going to install Golo WordPress theme along with the demo website. We will preview the theme option, basic customization options, and everything about to review to Golo WordPress theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and that is running 2021 WordPress theme by default on the latest version of WordPress 5.8.2 as of now. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have multiple things. So this is app, documentation has been given, licensing, some plugins has been given. So Elementor Pro has been provided as pre-packed. Golo framework has been given separately. Sketch file design is here, and the main theme file and child theme file is here. So we shall be using these files for our installation purpose. Let us begin the installation without any further delay. For this we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we have to choose golo.zip, that is laying under the theme folder and the theme file pack. So theme package will hold a theme folder in which you will find the golo.zip. Remember, you have to choose golo.zip only. Don't try to upload the complete folder. And you can also upload the theme file directly to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact. So I am uploading the file, theme file, directly to the hosting, and you have both the options. So you can either upload through this WordPress interface, or you can directly upload to the file manager using FTP or the file manager. And the theme file size is just 31.57 MB. It is bit high as it is containing multiple folders for the theme. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and I'll show you what file we got in this upload. We can extract it now, the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Golo folder in which we got all the theme components. So there are multiple things, plugins has been given. So 2 plugins has been, Elementor Pro and Golo framework has been uploaded with this theme pack itself. Language includes Elementor customizer and all such things. So these are the theme files, and now we are fine to delete the golo.zip. It is not required now, it is just consuming the server space. We have uploaded the theme, and now we can go back to the themes section of WordPress installation, and we got this another Golo theme option. I'm sorry for the background noises. I am recording this videos from my home today being Sunday for me. And okay, so let us proceed, and we have now the Golo theme as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Golo version 1.4.8 by UXPer. Golo is city guide WordPress theme. So interesting place from a city with the description and some attribute. With this theme, you can create your city guide website with points of interest grouped by categories. So this is being the introduction, and now we can activate the theme. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to utilize the complete features of this theme. These are very minimal list of plugins, and this is very good. This theme is less dependent on the external plugins, and yes, it also supports the WooCommerce. Golo framework is itself here. It has been developed by the developer itself. Elementor Pro has been pre-packed, and Elementor is also here. So this theme uses Elementor as page builder, WooCommerce for e-commerce activities, and no additional plugins are required in fact. So MailChimp is just for mailing activity, and this is contact form, which remains in generally every theme. So now we can install the required set of plugins, and this can be done in a single click. So I'm installing all 6 plugins in a single click, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install the plugins in one go. Just install the plugin one by one, to avoid the error during the installation process. So you can see all the plugins got installed within seconds, and all installation and activation has been completed. So it hardly took 5 seconds for me. This is beauty of the hosting that we are using. And if you are ordering the Golo WordPress theme by following the link given in the description of this video, along with the pre-activated plan, pre-installed theme, so you can receive the same capacity hosting plan. So this is a great choice for you. So you can follow the link given in the description. You will get all the information. And okay, so we have installed and activated all the plugins, and it is time to take a view of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. This is the basic view of Golo theme, that is the website made with the Golo. And yes, it is not having any content. This is why it is looking so clean and clear. And now you have 2 choices. You can start building your website scratch from here. If you want to use your own wireframe and design blocks, so you can start building your website. You shall be getting the complete features of theme and associated plugins from here. And yes, so WordPress is known for the pre-made website, and of course you are interested in the pre-made websites only. So we can target any of these websites to make a demo website in this video, and you can choose any. So everything will be available for your selection. So now we can proceed towards the demo content import at Golo WordPress theme. Simply click on the dashboard. So we have a target website like any of these pre-made demos. And okay, so if you are not using the WooCommerce component, that is, if you are not selling anything using e-commerce features of this theme, you can deactivate the WooCommerce plugin, and also you can delete the WooCommerce plugin. So now I'm looking for the demo content importer, and theme options are here. So nothing is hidden in my video. This is why I'm doing along with you on screen only. And I am looking for the demo theme options is here, import is here. Let us check here. I will show you each and everything what we got in this installation once the okay. So here is the demo import. It is laying under the Golo tab. Import option is here. Under Golo you will find the import option and select a demo to import. So this is being the selection, and we can choose any, as I told you. So it is a golden theme. So okay, I am also willing to select a good one. Okay, I am choosing the very first one, that is city guide. I am not making much choices. You can choose any as per your requirement and choice. So I am importing the city guide. I am simply click on import, and now it is saying it is fetching data and it is asking what we want to have. Okay, so we have chance to select what we can import. So since being at a new website, so I will import everything. However, you may choose what not to be imported, but yes, for a complete website you need to import the complete content. So simply click on select all and click on continue. Okay, so it is initializing and it is going to take time. So it is a very good interface of importing data, and it is saying each and everything what is going on and the background what is being imported, and it is really some good interface. Okay, so content is imported, widgets imported, customizer, menu, page option, and WooCommerce settings. So all got imported, and it took hardly a minute. So it is amazing, and I'm surprised how it can be within a minute. So I believe the images has not been provided. This is why it is so fast. Yes, images are also here. So abstract images are here, but yes, major images for like cities and all such information has not been provided. And after all, we are not going to use those images. Placeholder images has been provided to let you know the image size, so that you may put the same dimension images. So complete website is here. So it is very surprising and very fast and smooth installation for me, and I find everything is here, and I believe so internal pages are also working fine. Let us check. I have okay, so this is Amsterdam page, and yes, it is good. And since no information has been uploaded or inserted yet, so it is just a page now. Okay, so it is a city guide, and you can select the destination and accordingly the page will change. Okay, it is great. And so profile, pages, my places, bookings, my wish list, and also such things are here. Okay, we got a complete directory listing website here, and we just need to put the data about the listing. So now since we have the complete website, this is city guide, and now I'll show you the options through which we can upload the data and customize the theme. So I will show you only those things that come additionally in addition to WordPress along with the Golo theme. And let us start from welcome page. This is welcome page, and it is saying the theme version and documentation and the plugins that are required and what has been installed, and changelog is also here. So we got the latest version, that is on 26th October. And okay, so welcome page is here. System status is being shown because system status is very important part. If you are not having all green here, so if you are able to see an error on this, so if it should all green here, and you can see all green is here. This is the beauty of the hosting. If you are using the correct hosting plan, this is why we are asking to just follow the link given in the description and get the theme in a pre-installed manner with a hosting plan. This is going to be more convenient for you, and you can start building your website by directly putting your data, and you don't need to bother about the hosting and all such things, because hosting is main parameter that decides your website speed and capacity and all such things. Okay, so this is being the system status, and so import we have already used, and so this is being the import screen, and now it is theme options. So I will show you the theme options what we got to control our website. This is general option, enable RTL mode, header script and footer scripts can be used in URL slug are here. And so these are the controls and settings for our website, like listing card, you can decide the layout and city layout. So this direct button is somehow is not working for me, so I got a tweak to get working for this installation. And simply click on the Golo and theme options, and then click any option, like if you want to have additional fields. So now click on additional fields, you'll get it here. So city layout is now here, just click on add place, and you can I'm just checking why it is not working. So main option is here, so add place. So just select the option and refresh the page, like I am selecting the price format and refreshing the page, it will work after that. Okay, so price format is here. So this is being an error type thing, so this is a simple bug, but we have option to work on this. So login option like things are here, and all such great settings has been given on the theme control, like login options. So Google login API you can use, Facebook login API. So these are the login options. So I will show you what we are getting here to control. This is general option, URL slug, additional fields, listing settings. This can be important, so I can show you this screen. This is being the listing setting, grid view, and the listing paginations, listing card, city layout. Okay, so city layout we can check. The page is not reloading itself, so you have to select an option and then reload the page. It may be a browser issue that I am using, it can work for you, but it is available, don't worry for this. This is being the city layout, and there are some options here, so accordingly you can select or handle the areas, like search layout, listing detail, add place, search filter, price format, maps config, payment option, payment complete, login option I have already shown you, user navigation I will show you what is user navigation. Okay, so there are some radio buttons that we can use, so dashboard, profile, or my places, my booking, and everything. So whatever you want to provide for your users, you can click here and you can switch on and off. So setup page is here, just in case. So like new places, about us, so you can select the pages. So new places, for you have to select my places or something like page. So it is a binding on the pages, my places page, so you can select which page you want to bind with the my places page, my profile page, like my profile. So my profile page can be bind here. Similarly my place, so my places is here, my places is here, and my new place is here. Okay, let me check if there is new places. New place is not here, so my places can be here, my places can be configured here, my profile is here, so my profile you can select here, my wish list, yes, it is here. So simply you can select all these options, whatever page you want to map with these sections, so you can simply do this and its setting is saved. Similarly you can select the dashboard page, package page, payment page, and payment complete page. That is the great options, so this is available. And email template you can change. Okay, so new register, so you can completely change the email contents, email body for every step, and activate package and approve listing. So listing is only the medium to on the listing website or directory page. So confirm booking, everything can be changed on the email body. So all option is here. Help option, what we is here. So this is being the display address and also things. Okay, so this is being the great control that has been provided in the Golo theme options. And now we can proceed towards the next navigation. What is additionally claim listing is here, so we can check what is here. So this is for listing claim, and if anyone is claiming the listing on the listing, so you can view here. So I believe you have to map all such things on your website. Mega menu is here. Comments, places are, so we can check the places. This is being the important screen because places are the main things that is being to be handled on the directly listing. So I will show you the one place. What fields are here? This is a hotel listing basically, and this is a place, and we can add the values and the data here. What about the places, and okay, so price unit per month and basic information, menu, location. So it is great. Place settings, gallery image, place video, and so you can add as many places as you want, or you can start your putting your places by editing the existing ones. So this is very important feature to add places, and you can add as many places as you want to be on your website. Okay, so this is being the places, and similarly add new, and you can decide the type of places. Like I'll show you, this is activity, apartment, bakeries. So you can categorize the places from here. This is, you can say type of places, and similarly you can decide the category of places. So all options are here. So like food and drink, see and do, shopping. So you have to map the category and type in between. So however you have to select how you want to decide your listing and how you want to display your listing. So but features is available. Features are here. Amenities, so you can add the fields of amenities like air conditioner, car parking. Similarly you can add more amenities. These amenities is to be selected while you are making any listing. So this is a control panel, you can say, of listing. And next is city, town. Similarly you can add cities and town for your website, and you can describe the city, and slugs is also here. So this is basically control, and you can add feature, image, banner, intro and all. So guide, map is also here, so it is great. Neighborhood option, places are the main feature at the directory listing, so you have to take care all these things. So neighborhood and countries are also true. So you can add the countries. All countries has been given here, and you can select any for make it active. This is great. So booking options, so if you are making hotel listing and all such things, so booking option can be activated and you can use these features. Similarly packages has been given separately. So premium, standard and basic package you can have you can offer to your website visitors for listing, and user packages you can decide. So you can build package and user ID. So whatever package has been selected by the user is displayed here, and you can edit or enhance the pictures, I mean the packages, or similar activities are here. So I will show you how to edit the user package as well. This is for user ID and package, number of listing, and so details are here only. And contact and invoices is another thing that is additional. So you can if anything is here, I believe it will be displayed. I am not going in depth how you can do the listing. You can explore all such things. It will be displayed here. So features, I'm showing you just features, what is here, what is available in this themes. I'm not exactly going to show you how it can be done. So complete documentation will be available in the theme pack itself. You can explore the things. I'm just making your buying decision easy, what is available, what features are available in the Golo WordPress theme. So this is the purpose of video. Don't expect anything. I can show you how it can be done. So it can be explored further in another video. If you are having any questions, you can just ask in the comment section of this video, and you can even get in touch with me by following the link given in the description, so we may explore the things simultaneously for you. Okay, so WooCommerce is here. So these are products of WooCommerce and all. So these are the options. Basically the city, I mean the places are main things, packages and bookings, user packages are additional things for the listing directory website, and this has been provided in the Golo WordPress theme. So it is a complete directory listing WordPress theme, and every feature is available here. You can use these features. So I'll say, just explore all the options and make a perfect plan for your website, what actually you want to display on the website, and how you are going to map these datas on the website. So this is demo website is here, but you have to decide all the display settings, and you can map all the fields what you want to make visible on the home page or the profile page or everywhere on your website. So we got a complete website, no worries, and we have all the options for directory and listing. Directory listing website is bit complex because you have to take care of listings, and even users are listing their services and profiles and places or whatever services. So there are packages available for users. They can pay you for displaying their listing on your website. So this can be a great medium of earning. So we got this website in this installation. This is demo website, and the installation is complete along with the demo content. I have shown you each of the option available in the theme, and I believe this can be helpful for you in deciding your theme, and you can actually make your listing website using the Golo WordPress theme. Finally, this is being the my places that we have activated, and so it is very interactive and useful theme, and you can see the listings. So this is being the listing, and everything is being displayed in the proper manner. So here is it, here it is, and yes, we have each and everything, and there are also push notification enabled in the website, so it is great. So you have all the options, and I believe I have shown you the options as much I can show you, and you are going to use this theme for your upcoming directory listing website. And as we have seen in the beginning of this video, there are many options as well. So make a perfect directory listing website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.